On screen, a compact white robot vacuum appears docked inside a multifunctional base station. The overall setup feels clean and well integrated, the kind of product that seems designed to disappear into a home routine rather than demand constant attention. At first glance, the Roborock QR798 appears to be an evolution of the earlier Crevo Pro model, updated with stronger suction and a more autonomous maintenance system. The 10,000 Pascal suction figure places it in a performance tier that may satisfy most households, including those with pets or mixed flooring types. Now let's take a closer look at the self-maintenance features. The dock appears to handle dustbin emptying, mop pad cleaning, and water refilling automatically, a combination that reduces manual intervention significantly for most users. The mop pads lift automatically when the robot detects carpet, which seems particularly useful in homes with mixed surfaces. Moving on to navigation, the mapping appears intelligent and responsive, with room recognition that functions reliably across multiple floor plans. Users report smooth transitions between rooms and consistent obstacle avoidance during regular cleaning cycles. From here, the companion app offers scheduling, suction adjustment, and zone cleaning in a relatively accessible interface. One thing that stands out is how granular the water flow control seems, which may help prevent overwetting on sensitive floors. Overall, the experience feels like a capable and low-maintenance solution for automated floor cleaning. Some users may find the price positioning higher than comparable alternatives. Depending on what you're looking for in terms of hands-off daily cleaning, this model appears to offer genuine value.